Hello, everyone. This is Jillian Verdun with JMV Financial Services, your profit strategist, bringing tips and tricks to improve your financial situation for the new year. Thank you again for joining and tuning in. Today, we get to talk about 4 tips for organizing your finances. In our busy lives, it's sometimes tough to corral our financial records. Bills, paycheck stubs, tax returns, and bank statements can disappear into a dusty attic corner and bulging desk drawers, or in our purse, or wallets. Important insurance policies can hide out beneath bins of holiday ornaments and electrical supplies. Mortgage documents can sneak into old books or hide themselves in nooks and crannies throughout the house. Let's take time now to get those papers out of hiding, and I'm going to give you 4 suggestions for getting organized. Number 1, it's quite obvious. It's find a system that works for you. Many people use a computer program such as QuickBooks or FreshBooks or something similar meant to track everyday spending and bank accounts. Others use the good old pencil and paper, and the all-time favorite, a shoebox or a grocery bag. Some people use hanging folders labeled for various expenses and accounts. Others scan documents into a computer. Others use storage bins. The key is to use whatever system makes sense to you and helps you maintain your finances with a reasonable amount of effort. Number 2, dedicate a space and a time. To ensure that bills are paid on time, bank statements are reconciled, and important documents are properly filed, set aside a specific location in your home for financial tasks. It may be a place where you keep a computer, or filing cabinets, or shoeboxes. Once that area is set aside, pick a time each week or each day, if you're feeling really zealous, to pay bills, which most of us are not. Enter financial information into your check registry and organize your documents. You can call it Money Monday, Wealth Wednesday, Financial Friday. Just set a meeting with yourself. Number 3, keep the important stuff in a safe. Don't leave your only copies of your wills, tax returns, stock certificates, or emergency contacts in a pile on your desk. Such documents should be tucked away in a safe deposit box or home safe. And you can ask your attorney or financial advisor to store a signed copy of your will in a secured location as well. Because if you leave it on your desk, it's going to end up in file 13. So, number 4, don't keep documents forever. Many papers, such as regular household bills, should be shredded soon after receipt. Other documents, such as those supporting the cost of investments and real estates, should be retained longer for tax purposes. A good general rule for tax returns and documents that support the returns is 7 years. I get asked that question quite often. When it's time to discard these old pieces of paper, fire up the shredder. If you would like more information on the best way to organize your finances, please feel free to reach out to us. And again, we would like to thank you for listening today, and please follow us on your favorite podcast. Bye.